Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of budget-friendly graphics cards. In 2024, the sweet under $700 is packed with exciting options, so buckle up. Number 1. Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super OC Edition. Taking the crown is the Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super OC Edition. This powerhouse from NVIDIA boasts incredible performance for 1440p gaming with ray tracing turned on. My experience, this card is a beast. In benchmarks, I saw buttery smooth frame rates in even the latest AAA titles. The OC Edition from Asus pushes the performance even further, making it a fantastic value for the price. Why you will purchase? If you crave high-fidelity gaming with all the bells and whistles, the RTX 4070 Super is a top contender. It's future-proof for upcoming games and delivers a phenomenal visual experience. Number 2. XFX Speedster MERC 310 AMD Radeon RX 7900 XT. AMD enters the ring with the XFX Speedster MERC 310 RX 7900 XT. This card shines in raw performance, especially at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. The aggressive cooling solution from XFX keeps things frosty under pressure. My experience, this card surprised me. It held its own against the RTX 4070 Super in many games, sometimes even pulling ahead. The extra oomph for 1080p gamers is a big plus. Why you will purchase? Gamers on a budget seeking pure performance for full HD and 1440p will love the RX 7900 XT. The XFX cooler ensures stable performance even during intense sessions. Number 3. Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC Edition. Back to NVIDIA with the Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4060 OC Edition. This card delivers fantastic 1080p performance with high frame rates and the ability to enable some ray tracing features. It's a great balance between affordability and next-gen features. By experience, this is a solid 1080p option, especially for esports and less demanding titles. While newer AAA games might require some setting tweaks, the 4060 still delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience. The Asus OC version provides a slight performance boost without breaking the bank. Why you will purchase? If you're a competitive gamer or prioritize high frame rates at 1080p, the RTX 4060 offers excellent value. It's a solid choice for those who want a taste of next-gen features without going overboard on the budget. Number 4. PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. PowerColor brings us the Red Devil RX 7800 XT. This card offers a compelling blend of performance and price, targeting the 1440p gaming sweet spot. The Red Devil cooler is known for its efficiency, keeping thermals in check. My experience, this card strikes a nice balance. It delivers smooth gameplay at 1440p with most settings maxed out. The Red Devil cooler is impressive, keeping the card quiet even under load. Why you will purchase? If 1440p gaming is your priority and you want a card that won't break the bank on thermals, the RX 7800 XT with the Red Devil cooler is a great choice. Number 5. Intel Arc A750 Limited Edition. The underdog in this fight is the Intel Arc A750 Limited Edition. Intel's new entry into the GPU market offers surprising performance at a competitive price point. While driver optimization is still ongoing, the potential is exciting. My experience, the Arc A750 is a promising card. It can compete with the RTX 4060 in some games, and Intel is actively improving drivers. However, some games might not be as optimized yet. Why you will purchase? If you're an adventurous gamer who wants to support a new player in the market and get good value for 1080p gaming, the Arc A750 is worth considering. Just keep in mind that driver optimization is still ongoing.